Hey there, physics fans, what's up? So let's try this mastery question again. Same question, just a different set of numbers. This time I'm trying to go through the explanation of it without me typing up very much. Here we go. So a ball is thrown upward at a velocity of 32 meters per second, 65 degrees above the horizontal from the top of a cliff that is 123 meters in height. Just different numbers, same question. So if you just followed through on the previous one, and go do this one. I'm going to pause the video. You're going to pause the video, and then I will show you the answers. So please, at this time, pause the video. Okay? Pause. Click that little play button right here in the middle. Click it, click it, click it, click it. Did you pause it? I hope you paused it because I don't want to mess it up and you see the answers beforehand. So you've tried it? Good. You've tried it. You have, right? Right? Raise your hand if you haven't. Okay, none of you raised your hand. Let's just show you the answers. Okay, here we go. So we first have to do the 32 sine 65 and the 32 cosine 65, just to break it up into its horizontal and vertical components. And you find out that the vertical is 29 up, and the horizontal is 13.52. You take this 29 and you square it, and you add 2 times 9.8 times 123, because that's VI squared plus 2AD. Those are the two numbers. They're both going to be positive. That square rooted, you get the final speed downwards is 57.02. So you take the 29 up, 57, add them together because they're opposite directions. So if you want the difference, you actually have to add 86 divided by 9.8 to get the time. That's the time of the flight. And then you take that time and you multiply it by that original horizontal velocity, and you get the horizontal distance that's traveled. That's called the range. And then the last one, the final total velocity, you get that squared and that squared. Remember, take the 57, you take the C answer. Take the C answer. And the final velocity, not the change in velocity. 57 and 13 is the horizontal. Then you square them both, add them together, add the squares and square root. And then the inverse tan, the y over the x. Always the y over the x, because then you get the below the horizontal one. So it's always the y over the x. And there's your answer, 58.61 meters per second. That's a lot faster than the last time. That's still less than 3 minutes. So let's see if you got that. Raise your hand if you didn't get it. Hey, no one's raising their hand. Very good. See, this is so easy. Now go ahead and try the mastery question again, but this time online, and keep doing it until you get 2 or 3 of them correct in a row. I can watch that. I can see how long it takes, and I can see how many times you try. Go ahead, and remember, subscribe, like, comment. Love it. Thank you.